Centent, Reliance Jio, Infocom are among the 7 companies that are participating in the bidding process. Other bidders include Reliance Communications, Aircel, and Tata Teleservices. This is All India Radio, giving you the news. Vice President Mohammed Hamid Ansari returned home this afternoon after concluding his 2-nation visit to West Africa. Talking to media persons on board the special flight, Mr. Ansari said the visit to Nigeria and Mali was a follow-up to the ideas that were discussed during the 3rd India-Africa Forum Summit held in October last year in Delhi. The Vice President said during the visit, India raised with leaders of both countries various multilateral issues. The meeting there included terrorism also.
Both countries have somewhat crossed and therefore they were very responsive to cooperation in counter-terrorism. Now that cooperation can take many forms depending on each country's requirements and situation.
On India's recent surgical strikes in POK, the Vice President said one cannot be the recipient of terror attacks all the time and do nothing about it.
You can't be the recipient